Germany has recently made some changes in its immigration law. Anyone who has a degree no need to recognize from Germany. This means less bureaucracy and therefore shorter procedures. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, then my name is Shraddha, and today we are going to talk about new immigration law in Germany, which has been passed recently on 23rd of June 2023. So I'm going to talk about the updates that has been given, the amendments that has been made in this new immigration law, and then I will make this video as detailed as possible and try to break it down to all the amendments, all the reformations, all the important points, and for you to decide basically whether Germany now becomes more favorable country for you in terms of seeing in a long-term future here, or still not, still needed some more reformation. So keep on watching this video. So the stat says that in 2018 Germany needed 1.2 million people to fulfill the open positions, vacancies, and in 2022 it is 1.98. so I don't know, might have crossed 2 million already in 2023. So that is the reason why they are making these changes, so that Germany becomes attractive to the immigrants, to the skilled and professionals, and they are making these kind of reformations basically. So what is the government strategy? They want to increase the participation of people coming to Germany in terms of staying there for long term. That is their strategy. So they want more and more taxpayers in their economy so that their economy can sustain, because they have a rising population of old people. So, and as you know that old people get pensions, so more pensioners means more stress to the economy, so that's why they need more taxpayer. The first significant change that they have made is introduction to the EU blue card for IT specialists. As you know, Germany is in huge requirement, is looking for more and more IT professionals, computer science professionals. So if you're planning to come to Germany and you belong to these IT or CS streams, then consider Germany, because yeah, Germany is in desperate need. So earlier the threshold salary for the EU blue card was, so earlier the threshold salary to get EU blue card, which was given to only specialized IT professionals or the professionals that are in huge demand in Germany, was 58,400 euros before taxes. Okay, so taxes were not deducted from this amount, and now it is planned to be reduced. I don't know the exact amount, but I have read somewhere that it is going to be around 43,000 or 48,000. I'm not sure, not that I have the exact number, but I will search it, and if I found it I would put it here. So it is going to reduce to certain amount, basically below 58,000 euros for IT professionals. Also, there was one more criteria that you needed, some kind of work experience to get this EU blue card. So now it is also going to be reduced. Earlier, that is again a reformation, shortened experience required. So first they have lowered the salary threshold, they have reduce the number of years of experience that they need for EU card, blue card. Then the language required is completely waived off. Earlier, German language was required, often required certain level, but now it's completely gone. So basically they are trying their best to attract you guys, if you are from IT professionals, to come to Germany. Okay, so eligibility restriction to IT and certain fields, that was the restriction earlier to get your EU blue card, but now they are expanded to anyone with a degree. So these are the major parameters that they have changed: salary threshold, professional experience, language requirement, and eligibility. So these 4 criteria they have tried to get the bare minimum. Now let's talk about the opportunity card. So Germany has launched the opportunity card back in, I guess, last year, and it had point system similar to Canada. So anybody who has got more points will be more eligible to apply for this card, come to Germany, and even find job for themselves. So opportunity card is for anybody who wants to find and work, find job and work in Germany. So they had different criteria, but now they have relaxed some of the criteria. So the first criteria was your qualification. The qualification is based on which degree you have. Basically, if you have bachelor's degree, you will get certain points. If you have master's degree, of course, that would be getting higher points, and certain streams would be getting more weightage. So based on that, your degree will be given some point. So then you have language skills. So knowledge of German, knowledge of English will also fetch you some points. The other is professional experience. So number of years of experience would be given more weightage. So if you have, for example, 5 years, of course that would get more weightage in terms of someone who has just 2 years of work experience. Then connection to Germany. So basically, like I said, if you have previously lived in Germany, studied in Germany, or if you have a family member in Germany, that also matters, because that will also will be given some weightage, will be given some points. Age, the younger applicant will get more points, the older applicant will awarded less points. Then the last one is partner's potential. I'm still not sure how it's going to be, but that says points for qualifications and potential of your life partner. So if you have, for example, if you're married and you have a spouse, and their degree and their education level will also fetch you some additional points, because now that both of you are kind of well graduated and looking for job, that makes it more easier for you both to find job in Germany and settle down in Germany. So that would also be given some advantage. Please give this video a like. Now moving on to the big news. If you're looking to settle in Germany for long term, many people said that we don't want to, because what about our parents who are living back in India or in their home country? Who will take care of them? But now Germany is taking consideration of those kind of requests, and now they have come up with the criteria that if you are a specialist working in Germany, then your parents or in-laws are eligible to get residence permit in Germany as well, which is a huge news, because so many of our Indians were more inclined towards Canada, because Canada gives residency even to your parents. So earlier in Germany, your parents can come on family reunion visa just for 3 months, not beyond that. But with these reformations, they can stay as long as they want and even get a residence permit. So that is very, very, very good. This is very big news. They are making sure that family reunification is important aspect in immigration, and they are saying that they will make more inclusive society, supports the integration of skilled workers. So what they're offering is now that they will offer the skilled people, skilled workers in Germany, the opportunity to bring their parents and also in-laws, who will also be given residence permit to stay in Germany. They are thinking in terms of what is important for immigrants. So they want to retain the immigrants, they want more taxpayers, and that's why they're making these kind of changes. For parents and in-laws to be eligible for residence permit, the skilled worker must reside permanently in Germany. So if, for example, I want to call my parents and want them to live here permanently, I should get permanent residence and should be working here in Germany. So that is also very important. It is essential that the skilled worker has stable employment and accommodation to support the family member. Of course, Germany is very particular about the size of the apartment you have, in terms of if you are bringing your partner. So of course, when you're bringing your parents, they will also consider what salary range you have. Do you have a constant source of income? Do you have enough space to live? So these are the criteria that they will be, of course, looking at. Yeah, so Germany is in the path of attracting you. So don't forget, this is the high time to come to Germany. And also Germany is thinking about reducing the number of years to get your citizenship. Earlier it was 8 years, sometimes even more than that, but now it's planning to reduce it to 5 years, or even some say 3. I'm not sure how that gonna be, but PR is for sure for 3 years. Of course, you can get the PR even in 21 months if you have your degree from Germany and if you have B1 level of German skills. So you can get the PR in 21 month. Otherwise, with blue card you can apply in 24 months or even 33 months based on the language skill. So they are trying to change all these kind of rules, making immigration easier, reducing the bureaucracy, reducing the criteria, making the laws more favorable to the immigrants, because of course they want to have more people, they want to attract more and more skilled workers, professionals into the country, so that we could sustain Germany's economy, because tax paying, it all survives on taxpayers' income, because that's how it works. You are getting free education in Germany because somebody is paying for that. That was it from my side, guys. If you have any questions, still you think something is not clear, put it in the chat. I would love to reply, and put it in the comments chat, okay? And yeah, see you with more useful information. Until then.